Welcome to the month one recap. In this module, we've got a big picture overview for you on how federal aid transportation projects work and who's involved in making them happen. We start with the goals of this training. There are three main things we're focused on: learning the basics of federal transportation funding, understanding how to use the Hawaii DOT LPA manual, and working together to build a mock project proposal. So we're not submitting a real project, but we're getting hands-on practice that mirrors the real process. We also talked about the role of federal agencies, specifically FHWA and FTA. They oversee transportation funding and make sure projects meet requirements like national safety and environmental standards. From there, we touched on some key federal regulations you'll hear a lot about, like NEPA for environmental review, the DB program for fair contracting, and the Buy America Act. One interesting point is that not everything is a regulation. For example, aligning with federal and state goals is important, but it's actually an eligibility requirement and not a rule. We also introduced two key manuals. The PDM, or Project Development Manual, focuses on how projects are developed and helps clarify roles throughout the project lifecycle. The Local Public Agency Manual, or LPA Manual, on the other hand, is more about how local agencies actually implement and manage federally funded projects. And finally, we broke down who does what. MPOs like Oahu MPO handle planning and funding coordination. HDOT is responsible for project approvals and compliance, and LPAs are the ones executing and managing projects on the ground. So overall, the module is all about understanding the structure, the requirements, and the roles that guide transportation projects from start to finish. Thanks for joining us. Mahalo.